This is going to be the ultimate college essentials video. It's going to be a huge haul. Everything is from Miniso. This is of course part 1 of the college series. We're gonna have so many hauls and whatnot that I have planned for you guys. Before I get into showing you everything, of course I want to thank you for 50k subscribers. I'm so grateful. It means so much to me because YouTube has been my dream forever. I wanted to make videos since I was like 10. Like मेरे पास actual videos है of me being 10 and trying to make videos with my like little Samsung tablet. So obviously मैं giveaway organize कर रही हूँ for 50k subscribers. Keep watching because I'm gonna give all of the details towards the end of the video. Let's get into all of the shopping. And of course I'm gonna share हर चीज़ के prices and everything. सब कुछ काफी affordable था because it's Miniso. And I tried to get like the main essentials जो मुझे चाहिए and जो definitely use होंगे. Okay, where do I start? I also got a little bit of like skincare makeup stuff which I will also show you. Okay, number 1 we got a chhata, a very expensive chhata. I must say it is 600 rupees, but the thing is that it's very small, like it's only a little bit bigger than my face and I needed something small that ki bag mein fit aa jaye. It's very like cute and compact. Okay, this next thing is probably my favorite thing that I got from Miniso. I think this is my favorite purchase my entire lifetime. I got this adorable cup. I have no words. This is the cutest thing I own. This design is like texture sa nikla hua and it's huge, which is like, this is how much chai I actually need. This is 450 rupees. This is definitely a college essential for your coffee or your chai or whatever you like to have. Especially if you're going to hostel, obviously you'll need a cup in your room. Next, I got this mini like card holder thing. This is so important because obviously you have your wallet but you can't keep it out all the time. So this is for like your ID card, your metro card and stuff like that. And it has yahan pe like this hook thing so you can attach it to your bag or you can attach it to a keychain or a lanyard. This is very important because I'm probably going to be using the metro a lot. This was for, let me check the price. This was 350 rupees. Right, I should tell you guys where I'm going. I'm going to Symbiosis. Not Pune because I didn't even apply to Pune. Although I'm pretty sure I could have gotten in with my score. So I'm going to Symbiosis, Noida. This is such an essential for all the people who want to do their makeup. These are reusable makeup remover pads. Obviously like har roz new like those cotton pads use karna is so wasteful, so these are reusable. You can just easily wash these and use them again and again. It's 200 rupees, so I think very affordable. This next item is so essential and it's so cute. It's a little keychain. I don't know if you can see. It's got this bear, okay, and then there's this liquid inside of it. This is like my childhood dream. You can basically attach this to anything, and this is so important for your hostel room keys, for your car keys or anything. I feel like if you're having a bad day, all you need to do is look at this and it'll make your day better. Next we have a mini hairbrush because obviously you can't carry around your like huge hairbrush har jagah. This is like a detangling brush and it was 200 rupees. This is what it looks like. This looks like a Pokemon egg or something. The brush and this is the back. Of course you need to buy a bunch of socks. These are 6 pairs for 290. This is so affordable in my opinion. 2 pairs that are green, 2 pairs that are pink and 2 pairs that are blue. These are not no-show but you can wear them with sneakers and everything. But yes, no-show socks are very important. Okay, this is I think what I'm most excited about and it's probably the most boring thing here. These earphones with like a Type-C converter. There is this cute little dabba so you can store it properly. There's also a Barbie version of this which I really wanted but it was like 800 rupees or something. So no. But I actually want to try this because I don't know if it actually काम भी करेगा. I actually visited the college campus yesterday and it was such a like surreal moment that like school is actually over and college is actually starting. Also my college starts like very soon, like in 2 weeks. I hope you guys are excited for the college content that I'm going to spam you with. And if you want behind the scenes everyday updates, you have to follow me on Avashi's coffee shop because that is where all of the real secrets are revealed. इन्होंने ऐसे पैक किया है like it's made of diamonds. I hope ये मेरे phone में आ जाए And nahi aayi. I had a strong feeling that this would happen. I think ये मेरे iPad में आ जाएगा. But what is the point of that? I'm not taking my iPad everywhere. Yeah. Okay. So be careful while buying stuff like this. This is what I was most excited about. And I got 2 new candles. Again, this is not a very college essential for like if you're at home. I mean, it could be because like you can make your room nice and do a mini room transformation before going to college. But also if you go into hostel, you need something to make it feel like home. And candles always do that. These are both 190, so super affordable candles. And ये काफी लंबा last भी करते हैं. It's not like they run out very fast. These candles smell like, you know, like one of those expensive luxury stores or the Dubai Mall. Then I got this little pouch for keeping like, you know, कुछ space, skincare, makeup, like all of that stuff. Quite big. I think इसमें काफी कुछ आ जाएगा. This is 230 rupees. And I got another little cup. It's so cute. It's got a little part on it that says hi. And this is also 230. Guys, I'm so excited to make chai. Bottles of water. Now I got 2 water bottles. I'm not sure why I got 2 water bottles. I just liked how both of them looked. This is like your regular glass cup bottle with a like silicone covering on it. 300 ml, so it's like not a lot. You can't carry around those huge 1 liter bottles also because they take up so much space. This was 350 rupees, and this bottle, the only reason I got this is because it has this holographic effect, and it's made like you can see like little stars on it. Yes, so please get a water bottle, you need it. Next is for all of the headaches that I know I'm gonna get because I get a headache every single day. This is a head massager. I just know that these 200 rupees are going to be so worth it because it's going to save me all of my Crossing money. I really hope this works. If it doesn't work, I will cry. This is the device. Wait, should I try it? मेरे सारे बाल खराब हो जाएंगे. Wait, okay. Ouch. That just hurt a lot. I don't know what that was supposed to do, but okay, we'll figure it out. Next, something that every girl needs. Scrunchies. These are in like your basic black, blue and grey colors. 170 rupees, but they're very good quality. Like I think they're satin or something. Like my hair tends to get very frizzy because I have like wavyish, curlyish hair. So for me, like good quality scrunchies are very important. And I got a set of mini makeup brushes because if you're on the go, you can't carry like everything that you have at home. This is very compact, and if you need to get ready kahin aur pe, then you can easily use this. Let me open it. I want to see it kaisa hai. This was 550 rupees, which is a little bit on the expensive side, but it's like makeup brushes, of course it's expensive. Is this a dabba? Oh, it also has a broken mirror. That's actually great. Did I just break that, or was it broken pehle? But yeah, basically you just keep everything inside. I actually don't think ये मैंने अभी तोड़ा, so you should be careful with buying stuff like this from Mini. So I didn't even know there was a mirror inside. Next, we have this little tiffin dabba. It's like essay. I mean, it's like a handbag, but I tend to use it as a little like khane ka dabba. Because it's like perfect for that. You can easily keep like 1 water bottle and food in this, and it's tiny, so you can keep it like outside of your actual bag. Do people use stuff like this as handbags? This is not handbag quality. And next I got these 2 sets of notebooks because obviously I'm assuming थोड़ी बहुत पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी. Both of these sets were 200 each, and they have 3 notebooks I think in them. Let me open it. Guys, these are so pretty. They're very tiny. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is again like my bachpan ka sapna. They're not huge, but I feel like this would be good enough. Like if you want to make class notes for 1 class, I feel like this could last an entire semester. So the first one is this purple pattern. Also very cute, very beachy. It says surround yourself with happiness. So real. This is so cute. This is the white one with little constellation thingies. Okay, the next item is very random. Shower caps. This is 150 rupees, and these are 2 shower caps. So obviously inessential if you're going to hostel, but also like at home. Next, I got sticky notes. This is like a big fat pack of sticky notes in like 4 different colors, and this was 70 rupees. And I got another cute little pouch because you can never have enough of these. Pouch is 300 rupees, and it also has this like hook wala thing, so I can put this on my keychain or anything. And I got this big fat clutcher. This was 230 rupees. Like बहुत अच्छा quality है. Let me try it on. सब कुछ तोड़ दूंगी मैं. I love this. Should I just keep my hair like this? I kind of love it. And that is all of the stuff that I got from Miniso, all of the college essentials that I got from there. Tell me if I missed anything, if there's anything else that I would need. But other than this, I bought a little bit of like skincare makeup-y stuff from Miu. Okay, I got this big fat round brush. I got this hydrating cream sunscreen from Sunscoop, which is a brand I've never tried. So of course I'll keep you guys updated if it's a good sunscreen or not. I actually got another sunscreen. This is like your basic Lotus ka sunscreen. This is to use like on the body because I want to have two different sunscreens for that because I'm running out of sunscreen all the time. Then I got makeup wipes. This is so important if you do your makeup, but also if you don't. It's good to have wipes to just wipe your face if you're out and about and it gets like all messy and sweaty and dirty. I got micellar water because I realized I should probably start double cleansing because otherwise you can get acne. And I got this little like compact powder from this brand called Rene. It's like a translucent powder because I have pretty oily skin. And lastly, the most exciting item, I got a nail cutter. By the way, I'm absolutely in love with the outfit that I'm wearing today. It's from Kazo. I showed it in one of my videos. I really like Kazo. It's not super inexpensive, but the products are very, very high quality, which is what's important to me because I know I can wear this for years because it's not like a trendy piece. This is like my personal style. Like and subscribe because there's so much fun content coming up, I promise. And now for the giveaway, because मैं नहीं चाहती कि कोई scams ho is baar, I've made a Google form linked in the description. So if you want to participate in this giveaway, click the link in that description and fill out that Google form. There's also a question in the end about what you would like to get in the gift. I was thinking of selecting 3 winners and getting you guys a like college essentials kit, like all the stuff I've gotten for myself, similar stuff for you guys. And of course you can tell me what you would like to get in the kit through the Google form. I will not contact you on Telegram. I will not reply to comments asking you to text me on Telegram or anything like that. I will directly contact you on my Instagram at avishimish with a double H. That is the only way I will be contacting you. So yeah, do participate in the giveaway. And yeah, that's it for today. Like and subscribe and I'll see you very soon. Bye!